Come get your vehicle. Come get your vehicle for sale. They just used that machine the other day to pull a motor full random, you hear me? We had to get us that old LQ9 for the low with the old 243 heads on there. You did? Yeah, they tore up the Camaro. Tore up the Camaro. I said, man, let me get up out here and make a video for the people since they ain't been knowing what's been going on lately. I need to see what road I'm going to because today we coming to get an old fender for old Mr. Monday. Y'all know who Mr. Monday is, huh? Huh? Y'all know Mr. Monday. Let me put my bag down. You hear me? Put that big old bag down we've been having for years. This is that good bag here. And I want to see what road we need to go on before we pass the road up. So I got to dig that old paper out the pocket, baby, so we can see what road we going to. Um, 2010 Honda Civic. So we looking at road 321. Look like 321 gonna be our first stop for 2010. I think that's the one we seen them thing off. Then they got a black one on 24. So 321 and then 324. Yeah, 321 then 324. We gonna go over there, man. Y'all be in that junkyard. We got some good parts up in that yard, you hear me? Road 321. So we gotta go all the way to the end. You see they mark it on the car. That's 303. Another Camaro. Oh, they had an old Escalade up in that thing. They had an old Escalade up in here, y'all. Y'all wanna see your random work? Let me show you how we did it. Ooh, they tore that sucker up, huh? They tore that sucker up. Oh yeah, they tore it up, gang. Let me show y'all my little work though. Show y'all my little work when I came in here. Y'all remember? That was what? That was Friday evening. I came in here looking on the phone with old Willie. Willie said I better not leave that old mold up in there. I had to get the wrenching, baby. I went the wrenching. I had to build the motor up in here, gang. I had to build the motor, put my own motor together. See, that's the type of stuff they mess with. There's a 4L6E. I need shift solenoid too. Shit. Pressure manifold switch. Shit, that might be everything I need right there, baby. You see how it happened to you? You see how fast it happened, huh? I ain't even, this look like a 4L6. They gotta be. They got to be, baby. This up on the full switch look good. I'm about to get me, gang. Pressure manifold switch look good. I'm gonna come back. I ain't got my little pick. I need the pick to get that out of there. You see? And they got the two shift solenoids. I don't have my pick with me though. I'll show y'all a little random work. Unc back there looking like he don't know what's going on. Unc, you know what's going on, Unc? Huh? Yeah, I'm your uncle, man. I'm your uncle. He filing, nigga. Y'all see them? They had them 243s on this one here. They had the passenger head on there. But didn't have a driver's side, so I took the passenger off. And then I had double back. And the driver's side wound up being on the passenger's seat. So I took them heads off of there. Like a 2010 Tahoe. Took them heads on off of there. And then I came to this here pound puppy here. Took took the 317s off, threw them on the ground because we ain't care about none of that. Then I did my unbolt game. You hear me? Left all that in there. We told them we just got a block and some heads, baby. So y'all comment, like, share, subscribe. Let me get the word. And this Mr. Random here telling you what not to do, baby, and what to do. But don't do it. I'll let you in a little bit. That's love. Alright, gang. We got the camera bag rolling, baby. What this is, I know it's a little 6-cylinder. So I was able to get, I got the pressure manifold switch. I got 2 shift solenoids. And I got another one too that I've been contemplating on getting for $150 online. You know we had to get them for the old freebie. I'm just playing. Oh, this said 321 right there. This road 321, y'all see that? And then we go to 324. I don't know if I had looked on 321 before. We're looking for a Honda. Little Honda. Is it right here? We did look at this one, right? It's a Honda Civic, right? Honda Civic 2010. And the fender for this one, driver's side fender, is actually right here. So if they don't have no fender on that other one, we're gonna look at. And this is actually the color of the car. I guess it ain't too bad, huh? Got a little something right there. Guess it ain't too bad. I'm gonna see if I can find them a little better one. That is like a Civic. That one a little tore up. Actually, this like one right here too. It's a 06. This one don't look too bad. A little dent right there. I'm gonna just weigh my options and try to get them the best one. Take care of old Mr. Monday. Here go another one, 07 right next to it. That's into that here. So, I mean, I could just get the one on the ground. Let me look at the tab, see how it mount up. If we do run across the door, I know how to get them off. He ain't too bad, got a little. Mama said he ain't worried about all that. Might get this one. If you don't like it, you got 30-day return. I can return it. But let's go check out another one. We'll check out another one, gang. So this 321, 322. So gotta be 323. So they got one on 324. This look like it right there. Might just get that one that's already pulled, gang. Tell little money that was the best looking one. That's 324. Let me check out my list right quick. I gotta get back to the house. We got somebody come to get another motor. Sold me one yesterday. Y'all could have had that one. So that's 324. We got, what road this is? 324. Let's see what road this is. Yeah, actually got one right here too. Damn, yeah, that's big. Yeah, big, gang. He's on here, damn it too. You could tell Monday that was the best one. We ain't lying. I wouldn't be lying to him. I wouldn't be lying to him if I said I wasn't honest. Well, that is 324. So we got a 325, 26, 27, and 28. So this is 325 here. We got one on every road from here. I'm gonna grab my little tool bag. We keep it pumping. Keep it pumping, keep it jumping, keep it pumping. But I used to have one like that. I had some 18s on my thing with that sound. So this is 324. That's the 2010, the black one. Driver side center. Look, all on smash. Look, wow. What y'all think? This one in better condition? If you don't have to work that curve, they all need work. Better we'll get the one that's already off the car. It's 325 right there. Everything better now. Everything else. Might just get that one out. Should be looking both ways. God damn, he was hit hard, huh? That John, that was hit hard. John, that was hit hard over yonder. Hype me up, baby. You know, this one here, another one damaged. Another one damaged. The clean little beam. Clean little beam. I might have to. You know what I could do? Take a picture of them and post the pictures right on Marketplace. Matter of fact, y'all hang tight. That's what we about to do, gang. Alright. Just shot them up on the Marketplace. We're looking for these last little few little handles, huh? Oh, nice hit. Just shot them up. We're gonna post that to the Marketplace. We get a hit, we come and get it. You hear me how that sound? We get a hit, we come and get it. I used to have a beamer like that. If Monday don't want it, we'll just bring it back. We'll bring it back and get a little 30-day store credit. We'll get something with that, huh? Oh yeah, we got to get something with that, baby. Yeah? Let me go grab that fender off the ground. Already pulled from Mr. Random. We're gonna do it and take it nice and slow. Nice and slow. I would bring y'all a little gym side, but we'll save that for another time. I showed y'all my work already. You know I had to show you that, baby. What this is, old Lancaster. I thought that might have been a old city. Got the twins in this bit. The twins. Where you at, twin? Twin. I need that old fender with it. There go that fender right there. So let me grab this gift, y'all. I don't think Monday gonna be too disappointed with that, huh? Ain't gonna be too disappointed. Let me grab that. I'll holler at y'all in a little bit, gang. Later.